and Bonfire Night in New Zealand. We're English, so we enjoy celebrating Bonfire Night, and it's something we grew up with. But we didn't really celebrate Halloween. What I love about New Zealand is it combines the two, the American influence of Halloween and the British influence of Bonfire Night. So every year I film what we get up to and post it on our YouTube channel. I have to admit, I think me and the kids enjoy watching it more than you guys do. But if you are thinking of living in New Zealand and you want to know if we do Halloween, check out my videos. Hi, I'm Emily and I run Emily in NZ, posting about living, working and exploring this beautiful country that is New Zealand. Hit subscribe because I update every Friday. So check out Halloween and Bonfire Night 2025. This year I'm taking a witch, a spider and his mate Guardians of the Galaxy trick-or-treating. We call in at our favourite house. These guys are Canadians and they make such an effort every single year. We even decorated the caravan this year. Time to show you this year's Halloween nail art. Monty had an on and off bloody nose all day, so I thought he looked quite authentic. This year, the local estate agent handed out these signs. As well as decorating your letterbox to say whether you're happy for trick-or-treaters, these signs were really helpful. Now to another of my favourite houses. This one gives treats for the adults as well as the children. But they put on such a show that Tilly refused to go in, she was too scared, and Monty didn't last very long. Just a witch and a spider going for a warm evening walk. And here's Pete the cat from the Pete the Cat storybooks. And two of the spider's 8 legs were getting very, very tired. A couple of days later, we went to a private event where we built guys to put on the bonfire. This is the first time we've done it in New Zealand and it's very British. And now it's the weekend and it's time to celebrate Bonfire Night at home. Run, Daddy, run! Thank you for watching. That was Halloween and Bonfire Night 2025. The kids love it and I'm going to love it whilst the kids are still young. If you want to see more of what we get up to, hit subscribe because I update every Friday. In the meantime, check out one of these videos and I'll see you in my next video.